Poisson probability distribution. A discrete random variable capital X is said to have a Poisson distribution with parameter mu greater than 0 if the PMF probability mass function of the random variable capital X is P of x mu is equal to e raised to minus mu into mu raised to x divided by x factorial, where x is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. So the Poisson distribution as a limit. Suppose that in the binomial PMF probability mass function binomial of x and p, we let n tending to infinity and p tending to 0 in such a way that np approaches a value mu which is greater than 0. Then binomial x and p is tending to Poisson distribution x mu, where mu is the mean of the distribution. As you all know, mean of binomial distribution is equal to np. So we let np is equal to mu. So the binomial distribution with n number of trials equal to n and the probability of success equal to p. So for large n and smaller p, the binomial distribution tends to Poisson distribution with mu as a mean. Np is equal to mu. So according to this proposition, in any binomial experiment in which n is large and p is small, binomial of x and p is approximately equal to Poisson of x mu, where mu is equal to np. So as a rule of thumb, this approximation can safely be applied if n is greater than 50 and np is less than 5. So this rule can be applied for binomial distribution with n greater than 50 and np less than 5. So we use Poisson distribution instead of distribution for n is greater than 50 and np is less than 5. Example, if a publisher of non-technical books takes greater pain to ensure that its books are free of typographical errors, so that the probability of any given page containing at least one such error is 0.005. Probability of any given page containing at least one error is 0.005. And errors are independent from page to page. Now the question is, what is the probability that one of its 400 page novels will contain exactly one page with errors? And the second question, at most 3 pages with errors. Now with capital S denote a page containing at least one error, and capital F an error-free page. That means probability of success is equal to 0.005. So here success is equal to uh, a page containing at least one error. That is the probability of success, and success and probability of success equal to 0.005. And probability of failure is equal to 1 minus p, which is equal to 1 minus 0.005. Okay. Now x of the number x of pages containing at least one error is a binomial random variate with n is equal to 400, n is equal to 400, and p is equal to 0.005. np is equal to 2, n into p is equal to 400 into 0.005, which is equal to 2. So in this case, we can apply Poisson distribution. Since n is very large, p is very small, np is equal to 2, np is less than 5. So we can use Poisson distribution. Now the first question, what is the probability that one of its 400-page novel will contain exactly one page with error? Will contain exactly one page with error. That means the question is to find p of x equal to 1. Probability of the runtime variable takes the value 1, x equal to 1. So which is equal to binomial of 1, n is equal to 400, p is equal to 0.05, which is approximately equal to, the binomial is approximately equal to the Poisson for n is very large and np is very small, or p is very small. So which is approximately equal to p Poisson of x with x is equal to 1 and mu is equal to np, which is equal to 2. Np is equal to 2 or mu is equal to 2. So just replace the values in this equation. PDF of the binomial distribution is a raised to minus mu raised to x divided by x factor. Mu raised to a raised to minus 2 into 2 raised to 1 divided by 1 factor. E raised to minus mu raised to x by x factor, which is equal to 0.270671. So the binomial value is binomial of 1 400 comma 0.005 is equal to 0.270669. So the approximation is very good. Similarly, the next question, at most 3 page with error. At most 3 page with error. That means probability of x less than or equal to 3. Sum of all probability less than or equal to 3. At most 3. That is p of 0 plus p of 1 plus p of 2 plus p of 3. Summation x varying from 0 to 3 p of x comma 2. Summation x equal to 0 to 3 e raised to minus 2 2 raised to x by x factorial. E raised to minus mu raised to x by x factorial, x running from 0 to 3. Now first put x is equal to 0. You get e raised to minus 2 into 2 raised to 0 by 0 factorial, which is equal to e raised to minus 2 plus e raised to minus 2 plus second one, x is equal to 1. X equal to 1, we already found the value, which is equal to 0.27067. So this is e raised to minus 2, and this is e raised to minus 2 into 2 raised to 1 by 1 factorial. And this is e raised to minus 2 into 2 raised to 3 by 3 factorial. And this is for this is the last one, x equal to 3, e raised to minus 2 2 raised to 3 divided by 3 factorial. This one e raised to minus 2 2 raised to 2 by 2 factorial. Sum of all probabilities is equal to 0.8571. So probability of at most 3 page with error is equal to 0.8571. Next proposition, if x is a Poisson distribution with parameter mu, then expectation, that is mean, and the variance both are equal to b. Expectation, mean, and variance both are equal and equal to mu. Mu is equal to n into p. So this result can be derived directly from the definition of mean and variance. That is, expectation of x is equal to summation sum of x into p of x, and variance is equal to expectation of x square minus expectation of x the whole square